You think you know where stars come from? Think again. What you're about to discover will completely shatter everything you learned in school about the birth of stars. And the most disturbing part? It's happening right now, just 24 trillion miles away from where you're sitting. Right this second, in the Orion Nebula, over 700 baby stars are being born in absolute chaos. We're talking temperatures hitting 15 million degrees Celsius, with cosmic winds traveling at 700,000 miles per hour, ripping through clouds of gas larger than our entire solar system. This isn't the gentle, peaceful process your textbooks described. It's violent, it's explosive, and it's creating the very atoms that will one day become planets, life, and maybe even you in another cosmic cycle. Here's what NASA doesn't always tell you in simple terms. Stellar nurseries are massive clouds of hydrogen gas and dust called molecular clouds, and they're scattered throughout every galaxy. The nearest one to Earth is the Taurus molecular cloud, sitting roughly 430 light-years away. These aren't small. We're talking about clouds that can stretch across 300 light-years and contain enough material to create 10,000 stars the size of our Sun. But here's the controversial part that divides astronomers even today. We still don't completely understand what triggers these clouds to suddenly collapse and start forming stars. Some scientists argue it's shock waves from nearby supernova explosions. Others insist it's the collision of galaxies. Recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope in 2023 revealed something nobody expected. Some stellar nurseries appear to be forming stars in patterns that suggest an external force we haven't identified yet is organizing them. We simply don't have all the answers, and that should both excite and terrify you. Let me break down what we do know. When a molecular cloud gets disturbed, gravity takes over. Parts of the cloud begin collapsing inward, spinning faster and faster. As this happens, the temperature rises dramatically. Within about 100,000 years, which is literally a blink in cosmic time, the core temperature reaches 10 million degrees Celsius. At this precise moment, nuclear fusion ignites. Hydrogen atoms start smashing together to create helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. Congratulations, a star is born. But wait, before you think it's over, here's where it gets absolutely wild. These baby stars, called protostars, are surrounded by spinning disks of leftover material. These are protoplanetary disks, and they're where planets form. The Atacama Large Millimeter Array in Chile captured images in 2022 showing over 60 different protoplanetary disks with clear gaps in them. Those gaps, they're planets actively forming right now, sweeping up material in their orbital paths. You're literally looking at solar systems being constructed in real time. The Eagle Nebula, located 7,000 light-years away, contains the famous pillars of creation. These aren't just pretty pictures your aunt shares on social media. These pillars are active stellar nurseries stretching 4 to 5 light-years in length. Inside them, young stars are blasting radiation so intense that they're actually evaporating the very clouds that created them. It's cosmic destruction and creation happening simultaneously. The Hubble Space Telescope first captured these in 1995, but the James Webb Space Telescope images from 2022 revealed thousands of previously hidden stars inside those pillars that we never knew existed. Here's the part that should make you pause your scrolling. Every single atom in your body except hydrogen was created inside a star. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you're breathing right now. All of it was forged in stellar nurseries billions of years ago, released when those stars exploded as supernovas, and eventually incorporated into the molecular cloud that formed our Sun and Earth 4.6 billion years ago. You're not just observing stellar nurseries. You're the product of them. Current research published in the Astrophysical Journal in late 2023 estimates our Milky Way galaxy contains over 10,000 active stellar nurseries right now. They're creating approximately 7 new stars every single year. That means while you've been watching this, the universe has manufactured matter equivalent to our entire planet just in stellar nurseries across observable space. And we can watch it happen with our telescopes. The newest controversy rocking the astronomical community? The James Webb Space Telescope discovered fully formed galaxies existing just 200 million years after the Big Bang. That should have been impossible. Stellar nurseries need time to create stars, And those stars need time to create the heavy elements necessary for the next generation of stars and planets. These galaxies appear to have skipped steps we thought were mandatory. Some scientists are now questioning whether our entire understanding of stellar formation needs revision. Others argue we're simply missing pieces of the puzzle. The technology we're using to study these cosmic maternity wards is advancing faster than ever. The upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, launching in 2027, will have a field of view 100 times larger than Hubble, allowing us to observe thousands of stellar nurseries simultaneously. We're about to enter an era where our understanding of star birth could completely transform. So before you click away, make sure you're following this page, because we're going to keep bringing you the latest discoveries from space that challenge everything you thought you knew. The universe doesn't care about our assumptions, and that's exactly what makes it fascinating. Now here's my question for you, and I genuinely want to know what you think. If we're made from the remnants of ancient stellar nurseries, and new ones are creating the building blocks for future life right now, does that change how you view your place in the universe?